Moving on, the competition is divided into 3 preliminary competitions and 1 final round. Our judging procedure is super fast and accurate. We'll be using the Olympic style of scoring, where 10 is the highest and 1 is the lowest.
Tonight, we are assisted by Colegio de Dagupan, our official partner in precision tabulation. Colegio de Dagupan, the leader in IT education. Now we are down to presenting to you the august members of the board of judges. And here they are.
Judge number 1, international designer from Dubai and USA, one of the top 10 world-class Pinoy designers, and a fashion designer to beauty queens, Leo Almodal. Judge number 2, veteran pageant director, organizer, and one of Pangasinan's pillars in pageant, Mr. Childe Libertad. Judge number 3, the newly proclaimed Ginoong Pilipinas national title holder, Ginoong Pilipinas 2014, John Earl Agbunag. Judge number 4, another designer to the stars and in-house designer for ASAP, making clothes with the likes of Vice Ganda and Curtis, and among others, the Yasna Manawag official designer of Crown, fashion designer Dennis Celestial. Judge number 5, stage director, model, businessman, Buche's top man and review director of SLRC, Mr. Anton Broes Jr. Judge number 6, Itbulagas Mr. Pogi, model, host, and actor, Mr. CJ Almazar. Judge number 7, model and Miss Philippines Air 2012, Miss Kimberlyn Suiza. Judge number 8, Binibining Pilipinas 2013, first runner-up, actress and Star Magic's Miss Pia Wurzbach. And a judge number 9. She represented the country in Miss Universe 2010, made waves in Las Vegas, and landed as 4th runner-up, Binibining Pilipinas Universe 2010 TV host, model, the sensational Maria Venus Ra.
It's indeed a major stellar